Imagine building a fully functional game, a professional portfolio, and a useful productivity app without typing even one single line of code. It sounds like magic, but it is actually called vibe coding. Today, I am showing you how Google AI Studio turns your simple text descriptions into real software instantly. Let us jump right in. Open your browser, head over to Google AI Studio, and in the prompt box, type "Build a simple expense tracker app where I can add daily costs and see a total." This specific prompt tells the AI exactly what features we need to see. Now hit enter and watch the interface come to life in seconds. You can actually interact with the input fields to test the calculations right now. If the design feels too basic, do not worry because you can just ask the AI to add a dark mode or charts. The power of vibe coding is not just limited to trackers. You can build a recipe generator website by simply typing "build a website that suggests a random healthy recipe every time I click a button." This allows anyone with an idea to become a developer without years of study. Before we build a space quiz game, if you are finding this helpful, please hit that subscribe button for Saas Beast Pro. For more inspiration, explore the app gallery in Google AI Studio. It is packed with amazing projects that you can remix and customize for your own specific needs. To wrap things up, let us try one last prompt. Create a 5-question multiple-choice quiz game about space and astronomy. Once it is ready, use the share button to get your link. Comment below with your project link so I can see what you have created today.